Okay, this is Captain Mike Schmidt here. I am heading out from Ventura Harbor, California, on my way to the Big Island over there in Hawaii, and I will be taking this Catalina 38 by myself over there. Hopefully I make it. You guys can follow me on the Garmin InReach and over on Patreon and YouTube. I'd appreciate it very much if you guys would comment. Tell me your thoughts and follow along with the situation. Also, when I get there, I'll be uploading more videos, and I'm going to record the actual trip. This is my father's hat, by the way. He gave that to me when he used to sail us around in his Catalina back in the 70s. So he wanted me to have his hat, so I'm wearing it today in honor of my father. And I hope to see you guys out there on the water, and wish me luck. I'm going to need it. Thank you.